This week we're going to make a nature crown. So next time you go for a walk, bring a basket or a bag with you so you can collect some materials on your walk. You can pick up anything on the ground that you think would look nice. If you find some feathers, they're the best. And this is how we're going to make a nature crown together. You will need sellotape, scissors, and some toilet rolls if you can't find a long piece of flax. Peel the toilet roll apart, fold it in half and tape them together to make a headband. Lay down a piece of tape and fold it back on itself to make it double-sided. Now you can start sticking all your goodies on the headband. Tape the headband together at the back. And there you have it, your very own nature crown. Don't forget to tidy up.